Here, we show you how you can visually locate a spare part and order it. For example, you determined that a timing belt is defective on your machine. Step by step, remove the parts in the catalog that block the view so that you can identify the affected assembly. Enlarge the component and rotate it so that you can clearly identify the affected timing belt. Double-click on the respective assembly. Enlarge the component and double-click on the affected timing belt. Now, you have reached the lowest assembly level, which contains the timing belt. A single click on the correct timing belt will display its material number. Next, click on the shopping cart symbol at the corresponding part number to add the spare part to be ordered to the shopping cart. Select the desired quantity and click on Add. If the 3D representation is missing, you can also determine the spare part from the 2D display as an alternative. In addition, frequently used spare parts are often listed in the spare parts list. The article search can also be used here. Once you have all the spare parts to be ordered in the shopping cart, you can click on Save eShop. An XML list of the spare parts to be purchased is being created and placed in your download folder. The file can now be selected in the eShop in the Import Data menu and be uploaded. Please check the desired quantity or length unit before placing the order.